Paris, the city of light, a timeless symbol of art, culture. Here is the twist. Today, the Pink Panther has stolen a legendary treasure from Pakistan, and the trail leads to Paris. Gul Khan arrives from Pakistan to hunt down the mysterious thief. But in Paris, nothing is simple. To solve the mystery, he joins forces with the legendary Inspector Clouseau.
I am Clouseau, Detective Clouseau.
My name is Gul Khan and I came from Pakistan and I'm searching for Pink Panther. He stole the treasure from our country.
Now the investigation moves through the hidden layers of Paris itself. From Roman ruins to medieval cathedrals, from royal palaces to revolutionary streets. Every era hides another clue. Every monument hides another secret. And somewhere in the shadows of Paris, the Pink Panther is still watching. Gul Khan came to Paris searching for a stolen treasure. But what he discovered was something deeper, a city shaped by history and alive with countless cultures, voices, and beliefs, where people from around the world come not just to visit, but to exist freely, side by side. And in that moment, Gul Khan understood Paris is not just a city, it is a shared world of dreams.
So we're gonna see magic on the screen. Wow.
Or just a rabbit. Out of hat.